Let us proceed with the second part of our topic, which is the difference of two squares. Okay, so in difference of two squares, we need to follow this pattern. So this is the pattern. We have a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. But a polynomial is a difference of two squares if it is satisfying these two conditions. Kailangan parehas satisfy sa given condition ang ating given polynomials. Okay, the first condition is, it is a binomial. Now, what is a binomial? Okay, very good. A polynomial consists of two terms. Kailangan two terms lang daw yung given. Second, and each term is a perfect square. So, how to identify if the given number are perfect squared? If the factors of the given numbers are the same. Okay, next, second condition. There is a minus sign between the two terms. Kaya nga po difference, di ba? Difference of two squares. Kapag yung given polynomial ay nag-satisfied sa ating condition, therefore, we can apply this pattern. So, what are the pattern? First step, write two parentheses. Inside the parentheses, write plus and minus. Then after that, get the square root of the first term, which is A, and the square root of the second term, which is B. And that is the answer na po. Okay, this time, let us proceed with the perfect square number. Ito po yung list. List of perfect square from 1 to 30. So, isasend ko na lang to anak sa GC para kopyahin sa notebook. Okay, ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina. So, to identify if the given numbers are perfect square, identify yung factors ng number. Kailangan yung factors ay parehas. So, ito yung mga perfect square, yung nasa right side. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. And then, pag kinuha mo anak, yung square root nila, yung nasa left side naman. Square root of 1, square root of 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Okay, kailangan maging familiar kayo dyan. Now, how to identify if the variable naman, sa literal coefficient tayo, kailan daw natin malalaman na ang literal coefficient ay perfect squared? Ito po, if the exponent of the variable is even. O, ano po yung even number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, meaning divisible kay 2. Para makuha anak yung square root ng literal coefficient, anong gagawin sa exponent? I-divide lang kay 2. Okay, that is the square root of the literal coefficient. Now, this time, let us try to answer. Example number 1. Okay, step 1, check natin yung dalawang condition. Kailangan satisfied sa ating given polynomial. First condition. The given is a binomial. Binomial po ba? Yes. Second condition. Each term is a perfect square. Si 42 ba ay perfect square? Si 36? Okay, tingnan natin yung literal coefficient. Yung exponent po ba ng x ay pwedeng i-divide kay 2? Okay, if yes, satisfied sa first condition. Second condition, there is a minus sign. Okay, if yes, we can apply difference of two squares. What we're going to do, number 1, write two parentheses. Inside the parentheses, write plus and minus. Then after that, what's next? Get the square root of each term. What is the square root of 4? Sulat natin sa first term, 2. And then, what is the given variable? X. Sulat natin si X. And, divide the exponent by 2. 2 divided by 2. Just simply imaginary 1. And what is the square root of 36? 6. So, therefore, this is the factor of the given polynomials.